Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at another Academy model kit. It's the Sopwith camel. It's the First World War fighter and it's in 1/72 scale. Again, we bought this one from Hobbycraft, and again this one was £4. So if you like the smaller models, check them out. The first one, which was the SPAD 8, I believe, was a really nice kit. So we see in the top of the box there and the sides. So just give you a quick insight. £4 again, guys, so a bargain. So we're gonna have a look inside. It comes with the kit itself, nicely sealed, some nice detail on it. Again, I was quite impressed with the decals on it last time, so let's hope these ones are as good. So we've got the decals there, again all sealed up, nicely done. We've got your usual instruction kit, what you'll need. You probably need a few more tools than that to get this undone, but at least they give you a starter of where to go. So let's have a look at the manual. Again, very basic, good for starters. I'm going to get one for Leo and Lucy to do as well, so they'll be getting their head around reading the diagrams, and then we can get them onto something slightly bigger. Leo's not too bad, but Lucy wants to do one, so we'll get her on those. But for £4, if they mess it up, it's really not that big of a deal. So yep, basic instructions, and then a basic drawing and diagram of where the decals go. And yeah, so let's have a look inside the kit. So guys, the decals. So let's have a quick look at them. They're quite nice actually. They're quite spaced out. I'm not too keen on the little clear piece around them, but to be fair, you won't see it on the model, and these ones are for the wheels, so we'll see how we get on with those. So I'm going to put them back in the sleeve that they come in. There we go. Right, and let's have a look at this one, the kit. So it comes on 2 sprues, nicely sealed. Maybe they could get rid of the plastic and go to paper. The kit's plastic, so again, it really doesn't make too much of a difference. But this is what I like: the detail, the detailing in the spars and in the wings. The last one was a little better than this. There's a few bits to clean up here and a few bits along there, but all in all, for £4 you can't really knock the detail on that. So again, with the fuselage detailing again is superb for £4, guys, and the motor as well, very good. Propeller's the same as the one on the SPAD, sorry, and all the injection mouldings seem to be on the inside. The tyres again, and the wheels. So yeah, this is just a quick one just to see what it's like. I'll show you the other one again. The detailing in that. So yeah, all in all, guys, I'm looking forward to building this one. I think Lucy wants to build one of these as well, so we'll see how we get along and we'll give it a go. So that is my review on the Sopwith camel from Academy. in 1/72 scale. They do a 1/48 scale, which is £16. So if this one goes right, and I quite like this one, I might get the other one and see how that is. But again, that's the kit, and that's the box. So thanks for joining, guys. If you do like what you see, please like and subscribe, share us out. We are new to the modeling YouTube side of things, so yeah, thank you all for your support, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks, guys.